Hello, fish enthusiasts. Welcome back to ZooTube Explore. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of GuppyFish, the charming and vibrant residents of aquariums worldwide. Guppies are celebrated for the dazzling colors and elegant tails, making them one of the most popular choices for beginner and experienced aquarists alike. These small but striking fish are not only beautiful but also known for their lively personalities and easy care requirements. They're a fantastic addition to any aquarium. In this video, we'll dive into guppy fish care, from water conditions and tank mates to feeding and even breeding tips. Stay tuned to learn how to create the perfect guppy haven. Guppy fish are a true delight in the world of aquarium keeping, and I'm excited to share my insights with you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fish-tastic content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.